Hi, my name is Lasantha Wimalarathna, and I'm going to share the progress of my research on developing framework that integrates Lean Six Sigma with AI, IoT, and blockchain to achieve the sustainable manufacturing. This aim of research to evaluate how these technologies, when combined with Lean Six Sigma principles, can enhance efficiency, quality cost reductions, and sustainability. Let me briefly explain my research topic and the reasons why I selected in its slides. So in day-to-day manufacturing processes, we can see the variation in each process. I mean, marketing, finance, HR, people, we can see the variation in even the raw material. So to achieve the manufacturing excellence required, assess the current status, define the business impact, and evaluate the feasibility. So for that, we can use Lean Six Sigma principle as well as the digital tools. So I'm going to develop the new framework to integrate with these digital tools plus Lean Six Sigma concepts to achieve the low from the low sustainabilities to go for the high sustainability stability on the processes. So to develop this kind of the framework, the reason why I choose it, so you can see in next slide here, the manufacturing process waste around 5%, more than 5% in manufacturing waste in Auckland areas. So according to the 2023, the Auckland Council Wastage Assessment Report. The overall in New Zealand, 95% businesses are small, so they don't have feasibility to recruit the expertise and develop this kind of framework with these tools to improve their productivity and reduce the wastages. So my aim to develop the framework with artificial intelligence, IoT, and blockchain to enhance the sustainable manufacturing to, for example, the predictive maintenance, optimize the schedulings, and advanced quality control by using AI, and the real-time visibility, the production processes, assess the conditions and energy consumption kind of things we can monitor through the IoT, the use the blockchain for supply chain transparency, ensure the material quality and confidentiality. So we can use the blockchain. But to how we use, to how we identify where we need these tools. So we can use the Lean Six Sigma, uh, the process to identify where we can need, where we need to apply these tools. The main objective, the how AI, machine learning integrate with Lean Six Sigma to enable the productivity maintenance, quality control, operation decision making to continuous improvement through reducing the wastage. The key areas to identify the capability gaps and initiating the digital usage in the development recommendations by the survey is the main focus, one of the focus. The for mainly focus industries in Sri Lanka, New Zealand, and other regions, the manufacturing entity. So the reason why we can use the Lean Six Sigma principle to identify this kind of process. I have worked in manufacturing environment in Sri Lanka overall 12 years, and they actually we use Lean Six Sigma practices in practical basis to improve the productivity, quality, and reduce the wastage. So Lean Six Sigma combined with lean elimination of waste and the statistical tools to improve the productivity. So there's an approach, the basic framework called DMAIC framework, which is used for continuous improvement. So define, measure, analyze, and improve in and control the process for the sustainable gain in this concept. So I believe this with new technology, the growth, AI, and IoT blockchain. So combined with this framework, we can develop a new model for use the small and medium scale enterprise to improve their sustainable goals to achieve the productivity, efficiency, and reductions of the wastage to satisfy their customers and the corporate goals. So when developing this kind of the IoT usages, I mean the Internet of Things sensors, AI tools is more expensive. So we need to identify the process which we really need. For that is the main I focus to use Lean Six Sigma framework to identify the process and develop the framework to small and medium scale manufacturing facilities. So this is my main objective of this research. So let me share my research progress and the methodology details with you. So the methodology what I followed at the moment, literature review already done. So the screening and selections of the framework, what currently developed in research area. So all the pre-screening and selections of the research completed. So now I am working on my survey, the survey questionnaire already done, and I will share the detail on next slide on that. So main plan to develop the framework after discussion with the industry expertise and develop the framework, then go for the general industry users the survey to get the feedback, then finalize the framework and survey data is the approach to complete this survey. So let me discuss about my research, the survey data analysis, how I'm planning to do. So mainly I'm targeting around 20 to 25 participants in project managers, operation managers, continuous improvement expertise, quality assurance, IT, as well as the supply chain managers. So I'm planning to distribute them with them the structure is questionnaire with the Google form uh, through the online to get their feedback to identify the industries we are at the moment. So it will be give us the systematic review to ensure this project is used by the latest evidence, while this survey provide the actionable insight of these industries. So survey data analysis is going to be used in descriptive statistics tools and the ensure the providing the going to be developed framework will be more reliable and industry updated one based on this data what we are going to grab from this survey. So when I'm going to share my current status, so I able to finalize two survey questionnaire, one for industry expertise, other for industry users. So based on the final run feedback with my supervisor support, Felix, I able to finalize these two questionnaire with my supervisor support. Uh, what I'm doing now, the industry expertise interview, I able to run two success industry expertise interview. I able to get the positive insight for my research because I one of my IT professional gave me the insight we are at market running with this AI and other tools, and other one is the continuous improvement manager. So both of interview at the positive insight for my research. So I am planning to go for the industry users survey on early next year for the data collection. So that's my plan according to my timeline. So the reflection on learning outcomes, engaging different stakeholders, promoting change leaderships, and ethical and cultural commitments are the key learnings at the moment. So when I do the industry expertise interview, I have to work with the different stakeholders, so different senior leaderships. So it's a one of key advantage me to grab and learn from them and their skills as well as the leadership's qualities. So ethical and the manage the ethical way to get their confidential information and work on my research. So one of key learning at the moment what I gain through my journey. So feedback I need on, so when I'm going to the the collect the survey data in industry, so I need to get more feedback with them. So if you have any plan additional, share in LinkedIn, email, and through WhatsApp, if you have any plan or any insight or idea, please share with me. And so when do the analyze in two different countries with two cultures, how you are going to plan. So do the analysis. If you have any idea, please share with me. Even when we working in the different stakeholders and get their technology update and current status. So quite a bit difficult experience I have. So get the actual information. If you have any insight, any idea, reach them and get more information on Lean Six Sigma practitioners, IT expertise in blockchain, IoT, AI. So please help me to get their contacts, support if you know. Thank you on that. So this is my main research and my topic. Thank you very much.